As you can see, we are now, I say, 2 hours in. 2 hours in.
Yes.
1.5, 2 hours in, and this is the result so far. With the what do we use? The Pro Scraper.
The Pro vacuum scraper.
Yeah.
Pro Scraper.
Works like a charm. So Kim is going to give you a small demonstration of how she's doing it, because someone needs to supervise. It is me. And yeah. So hop up. Go ahead.
Okay. Well, first I'm gonna explain because of the how do you call this stuff?
Antifouling. Oh, the vacuum cleaning.
Yeah, the vacuum cleaner, because the vacuum cleaner makes a lot of noise. So what I found out is easier is to start horizontal, but when you do it horizontal it's a small strike. So, and then go down. So it's a lot of work, but you know, you don't need to go to the gym, and the gym is closed because of Corona. So that's the way we lose our Corona kilos.
So what do you reckon? One day, one side?
If my bag is holding up, then
Your
yeah,
bag?
sure.
Your bag?
My bag.
Oh, your
No,
back?
not my bag,
Your back.
but my back. Yes.
I'm going outside, Kim will stay inside, and we try to communicate in some way because we need to work together removing the thru-hulls and valves. Okay, I'm going outside, you stay here? Mm-hmm. She stays here. This to grind out the restriction in the thru-hull, and once that is done I can ram in the plug, and then we can start drilling out the thru-hull.
Vincent is drilling a hole in the boat.
I think someone opened the plug. Alright, it's time to start drilling the thru-hulls. Let's see if it works. It's out. 1, 10 to go. I lost one of the nuts of the Trudesign fitting because there's a very narrow area between the shower cabin and the hull, and it's on a place where we do not have access. This device is a special device. It's called the Nut Grabber Pro and you can get it in the link below. It's an Amazon but we tried to retrieve the nut. We gave completely nuts. Here. A few moments later.
Grab your nut.
Guys, so on day 1 we got the boat out of the water and we scraped the whole port side along with the skeg for the shaft, the rudder. And on day 2 we had a lot of rain and wind and the weather was very bad, so we didn't want to be outside for a long time, so we did a job that was semi outside inside. Come take a look. Toilet outlet, toilet inlet, shower outlet,
Sink outlet.
sink outlet. So 4 thru-hulls replaced, 4. And yeah, it was
How many to go?
7. So we have 2 more here. This is the shaft inlet for yeah, the water that goes for smearing the shaft.
Smearing the
And here we have the engine cooling water inlet, the raw water inlet. So I have not decided yet if I want to replace those, because the thru-hulls that we replaced, they were actually pretty good. So, but we already bought the stuff, so might as well replace it preventively. And we have one more here. That's the sink in the kitchen outlet. And here on this side we have the toilet outlet of the forward wet cell. And here we have the inlet of the toilet, outlet of the sink, and outlet of the shower. So it is now 2:00 p.m. at day 3, and we've done some scraping up till this point. So the whole starboard side until here. So we have about, let's say, 1/3 left, and including the keel. And I think we will be ready in a few hours. Scraping, and then next few days we have muscle ache, or how do you call that, muscle pain?
Yeah, it's tough. It's like normally when you put some antifouling on it, then you put another layer or extra layer on the top, you know? And now it needs to come off.
But it's really hard.
It's really hard, yeah, it's dried out. So, little cracks in it too.
It is a nightmare. Oh. What so describe in 3 words how.
Oh, it's finished.
And what do you need?
A massage?
Nee.
A beer?
Good suggestion. I need 1 too. Maybe 2. And then I fall asleep because I'm so tired.
Next up, we go on with our maintenance on the bottom of Heron. We fix the rudder and we finally get the first epoxy layer on. Until next time, cheers!